Stop right there because your living room is about to change forever and you need to know why the wait for the new Apple TV is finally over. For months the tech world was buzzing with rumors about a massive release in late 2025, but then something strange happened as the year ended with total silence. No new hardware arrived and no press releases were sent out, which left everyone wondering what happened to the Apple TV. I have been tracking these leaks for a long time, and it turns out that Apple isn't just late, but they are actually changing their entire philosophy for the home. They are moving the goalposts because they are waiting for a revolution that is much bigger than just a faster processor. Now all signs point to an early 2026 launch that will redefine what a streaming box can actually do. If you are thinking about buying a new device right now, you should wait because the 2026 Apple TV 4K is shaping up to be an absolute beast. While the outside of the box might look like the same matte black square we already love, the real magic is happening deep inside the hardware. Right now the current Apple TV uses the A15 chip, which is powerful, but it is starting to show its age in a world of high-end gaming and AI. The 2026 model is rumored to make a massive jump straight to the A17 Pro chip, which was the first 3nm chip from Apple. This means you are getting a 6-core GPU and hardware-accelerated ray tracing right on your television. Your Apple TV will essentially become a mini gaming console capable of handling high-end graphics and lighting effects that were once reserved for dedicated gaming hardware. This is going to make Apple Arcade a serious competitor and allow developers to bring console-quality games into your living room without needing a bulky tower under your TV. But pure processing power is only half of the story, because Apple is also introducing a custom wireless chip called the N1. This chip will handle both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in one place to provide significantly faster speeds and much lower latency. With support for Wi-Fi 7, your streaming experience will be 4 times faster than previous versions, which means buffering and lag will finally be things of the past. Even if your home internet isn't top tier, the reliability inside your house will improve because data can move across 3 bands at once. Bluetooth 6 will also ensure that your game controllers feel instant with no input lag at all. This chip also powers the future of the smart home by supporting Thread technology, making your lights and sensors work together faster and smoother than ever before. So why did Apple decide to wait and skip the 2025 release window? The answer is a single word, and that is intelligence. Apple is currently rebuilding Siri from the ground up to turn it into a true AI assistant that understands context and your personal habits. The old Siri often struggles with basic web searches or simple commands, but the new AI-powered Siri will know what you are watching and what you like. Real AI requires massive local processing power, which is why the old A15 chip just wouldn't cut it. Apple wants every new Apple TV to run Apple Intelligence locally on the device to keep your data private and secure. Imagine asking your TV to find a specific movie based on a vague description of a scene and having Siri actually understand the content of the film rather than just searching for keywords. The push for AI has also brought up wild rumors about a built-in camera coming to the device. Right now, using FaceTime on a TV is clunky because you have to use your iPhone as a camera, but a built-in lens would make video calls feel natural. There is also talk of gesture controls where you could pause a movie or select a show just by waving your hand or pointing at the screen. While some think this camera tech might be for a separate home hub device, it is clear that Apple wants to launch an entire ecosystem together. They want the Apple TV to work perfectly alongside a new HomePod Mini 2, which is also expected in early 2026. The new Mini will likely feature the S9 or S10 chip, which will make Siri feel instant and improve the sound quality through advanced computational audio. In my opinion, the 2026 Apple TV 4K is going to be the biggest update in the history of the product line. Apple is moving away from just making a streaming box and is instead creating an AI hub that serves as the heart of your digital life. While the delay was frustrating, it proves that Apple is finally taking the smart home seriously and building a foundation for the next decade. If you can wait just a few more months, the jump in technology will be worth every second of the wait, because the A17 Pro chip and the new AI features are game changers. This is the moment where Apple finally catches up to and passes its competitors in the living room. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video and hit the bell icon like that.